Hey everyone, on today's video I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to import FNDO stocks and Tradingview Watchlist. It's going to be a 2025 tutorial. So first we're going to go to our browser. So next we're going to search for FNDO stocks download. Then we're going to click the first link. So as you can see, it's going to give us a bunch of stock lists with lot size. So once we're done with this step, we're going to log into our Tradingview account. So as you can see, I'm already logged in. So next, what we're going to do is click on the plus button, as you can see. Then it's going to let us add a symbol. So we're going to go to the stock list, copy a symbol, and add it to the Tradingview account add symbol page. So as you can see, it's already popped up, and we're going to click on the add button. And as you can see, that stock has already been added to our list. We can do this as much as we want. You could go there from the stock list and search any one of them already available. For example, we can go to the MCX exchange, copy it, then paste it on the Tradingview. Then it's going to pop up in the stock list. So as you can see, we could add it using the plus button, and it's going to be added to our stock list on the indices list. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. Goodbye.